Well, that went rather nicely. Doesn't that look nice? There's our patch. 20 minutes of fame. We got that patch done. We even got about a gallon, maybe a little bit more than a gallon left in that container. Plus I have some extra webbing tape. I've probably got another 10 feet there, you know, for a different patch. And incidentally, if you got something really super thick, you can put one piece of webbing tape on there like I showed you, and then you can put a little bit more, and then you can cut some patches of this and put down another layer. Let's say if you're working around a chimney or, you know, whatever, some sort of deep patch. So if you got an inch patch deep or something, chances are, if you don't put the webbing tape in there, it's going to start cracking out. So you could put a layer, 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, put a layer, put another 1/4 inch of tar on there, put another layer of this webbing tape, and then put in some more tar, you know, something like that. Webbing tape is good stuff. I hope you learned something. See, I was prepared. I even brought myself some paper towels. I can take my glove here, and now I can pull it inside out while I hardly have anything on me. Wrap that up in this thing here. And I'll show you how to get this tar off your hands, if you got it on your shoes, on your arm, on your face because you had to scratch your cheek for something and your hands were all messed up. Boy, I think I did pretty good, pretty okay. You know what, I hope, oh, I put the ladder, man, I should have thought of that. Look at this. I got the ladder right exactly where this is. I should have set that ladder up over there or over on this side. Now I've got to get down without getting any mastic on myself. I'll get down the best I can, and then I'll have to move the ladder and get back up here and get the rest of the stuff. Not out of the woods just yet, apparently. Okay, let's see if Joe ate his Wheaties this morning, see if I can't do this. If I had somebody here with me, I could have them move the ladder for me. I left my cell phone, or else I could call the person inside the house over here and they could come out. Nothing doing. Let's try it. I think I can get her. I'm not sure. Last thing I want to do is mess up my shirt. Better take my shirt off and my lumbar support. Yeah, try it again. If I get it on me, then that's okay. Wow. Got her. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.